Hello everyone, welcome to DAXIN CNC. Many people notice the CNC machine first, but cutting tools is what actually shapes the part. Before machining, we will review the drawing. Different features, materials, tolerances, and surface treatment need different cutting tools. This is a turning tool for round features. This is an end mill for flat surface, slots, and profiles. This is a drawer. It creates the holes. This is a cap for internal threads. This is a reamers and boring tool for finishing and refining the holes. This is a chamfering and grooving tool for angle edges and slots. If you have a precision CNC machining part, send us your drawing. Our team can review the machining process, tooling plans, and inspection points for your project.